In today's activity, you're going to be doing some analysis of drug samples that were found at a crime scene. So different materials that we're going to be using, you will have your envelopes for the control, the positive and negative controls for your suspects. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Those envelopes contain the vials that will have the samples that were taken from the students. And then you're going to have empty vials that you're going to label. So you'll have a negative control, positive control, and then your 4 suspects. You're going to have or use rubbing alcohol and Bertinol testing solution. And then lastly, some toothpicks. So I'm going to go through and perform this little lab activity for you today. So I'm going to start with my negative control. So I'll take that envelope. I'm going to open up the envelope, and in there should be a vial. And we will we'll take our negative control vial. We'll fill it about halfway full with rubbing alcohol. And then we'll take a toothpick and we'll take just a little bit of the sample, negative control sample, and we'll put that into the vial. I'll close the vial, invert it several times to mix the contents with the rubbing alcohol, and then I will open it up. And I'm now going to put a little bit of the Bertinol testing solution into the tube. Okay, so I'm gonna again close it, invert it, and there you can see the results of the negative control. Okay, I'm now gonna do the same thing for the positive control. So here I have my positive control envelope. I'm going to take out my sample. I have my empty positive control vial. I'm going to put a little bit of rubbing alcohol in there. I'll open up my sample. Gonna put a little bit of my sample into the tube, close the sample, put that back in the envelope, and I'm gonna close my testing tube and invert it to mix it. And then I'll open it up. I'm going to add some of the testing solution. I don't really need to invert it, but I can once or twice there. And there we have the positive control. Okay, so that's your results for the positive.